Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadillas on a Blackstone. First, ensure your griddle is clean and ready. Gather all your ingredients, including your favorite tortillas, shredded cheese, and any cooked fillings like chicken or vegetables. Preheat your Blackstone to a medium-low setting, around 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A little oil on the griddle surface will prevent sticking and help achieve a golden brown crust. Once your griddle is hot, place a tortilla flat on the oiled surface. Quickly add a generous amount of shredded cheese to one half of the tortilla. This cheese acts as the glue for your fillings. Now, evenly distribute your pre-cooked fillings, such as seasoned chicken, sautéed peppers, or black beans over the cheese. Don't overfill, or it will be hard to fold. Let the quesadilla cook for about 1 minute, allowing the cheese to begin melting and the tortilla to warm through. This makes it easier to fold without tearing. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled side, pressing down gently with a spatula. Cook each side for approximately 2 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and the cheese is fully melted and gooey. Once your quesadilla is perfectly golden and the cheese is bubbling, remove it from the Blackstone. Transfer it to a cutting board and slice it into 2 or 3 wedges, depending on its size. Serve your delicious quesadillas immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. They are fantastic for a quick meal or snack. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.